Good morning, students. I am Vaishali, your science teacher. Today I am going to teach you about parts of plant and their functions. So let's start with this diagram. Here, various parts of plants are shown. These are number 1 root, second stem, third leaf, fourth flower, fifth fruit, and sixth seed. Now we will separately discuss about each part of the plant and their functions. Let's start with the root. The part of the plant that grows under the soil is called root. You cannot see it above the ground. Childrens, as we know that roots grow under the soil. That's why we are not able to see them. Now we will discuss about types of roots. There are generally two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot. Taproot is a thick main root. It goes deep into the soil. Look at this diagram. Here there is a single main root and it is going deep into the soil. Examples of taproot are hibiscus, mustard, etc. Fibrous root. There is no main root and number of roots look like bunch. See the diagram. Here are number of roots and they together look like a bunch. Examples of fibrous roots are rice, wheat, onion, etc. Now we will discuss about functions of root. Roots are very important because no plant can live or grow without roots. Roots hold the plant. They absorb water and minerals from the soil and pass them to the plant. Some roots store food for the plant. So, the main function of root is that it transfers water and minerals from the soil to different parts of the plant. Now we will discuss about the shoot. The part of the plant that grows above the soil is called shoot. It has a stem, branches, leaves, flowers, bud, fruits, etc. Now we will discuss about the stem. Some plants have soft stem while others have hard stem. Banana is a plant having soft and thick stem. Some plants have very weak, soft and thin stem and they need support to grow upwards. These type of plants are called creepers. So, creepers are the plants which need support to grow upwards. They cannot grow themselves. Or we can say that they cannot grow without any support. Examples of creepers are pea plant, it is very common, and money plant. Look at this diagram. This is a plant having stem, leaves, flowers, and this whole plant which is above ground is known as shoot. This whole part is known as shoot. Some plants like mango, neem, peepal, etc. have very strong and thick stem. This type of stem is called trunk. Therefore, trunk is the part of a plant which is very strong and thick. Now we will discuss about functions of the stem. The stem supports the upper parts of the plant. It carries water and minerals from the roots to the other parts of the plant. It carries food made in leaves to the other parts of the plant. Some stems like sugarcane, potato and ginger store food. These stems can be eaten. Hence, the main function of the stem is that it carries water and minerals from the roots to the other parts of the plant, as well as it supports the upper parts of the plant. Now, we will discuss about the leaf. As we have already studied about stem and roots, now we will discuss about leaf. The leaf is the most important part. The leaf is an important part because it produces food for the whole plant. Leaves are different in size and shape. The green color of leaf is due to chlorophyll. Look at this diagram. Here, the leaf is made for you and it seems to be green. But why is it green? Because it has a green color pigment, chlorophyll. And what is the main function of leaf? It produces food for the whole plant. That's why the leaf is also known as the kitchen of the plant. Now, we will discuss about the most important process, photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The process by which the green plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight by absorbing water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is called photosynthesis. Now look at this diagram. I am going to explain this diagram now. See here, there is a plant and in the plant there is a green color pigment called chlorophyll. Now you can see the light energy is coming from the sun, carbon dioxide is coming from the air and water is coming from the soil. Through the roots, it is passing on the stem and through the stem it goes to the leaves. Now in the leaves there is chlorophyll. So what will happen? Leaf will prepare food with the help of light energy, carbon dioxide and water. After food is prepared, it gives out oxygen which we breathe and it prepares sugar. Sugar is the food for plant. Now we will discuss about the most beautiful part of the flower. What is it? It is a flower. Flower is the most beautiful part of the plant. Flowers are of many colors as well as shape and sizes. What is the function of a flower? Number one, the flower grows into a fruit. Where do we get fruit from? We get fruit from the flower. A flower is converted into a fruit. Second, it also helps the plant to reproduce. What is reproduction? Reproduction is the process of producing their young ones. Now we will discuss about fruits. The flowers of different parts grow into fruits. Fruits are fleshy, tasty and juicy. Most of the fruits contain seed inside them. Some fruits have only one seed, for example mango, peach, etc. Some fruits have many seeds, example papaya and watermelon. Some fruits have few seeds like oranges, apple, etc. Some fruits have no seed. And what is it? Banana. Now what are the functions of fruits? A fruit is tasty and juicy to eat. It stores food from the plant. A fruit protects the seed within it. From these seeds, new plant grows. Now, children's fruits are very juicy part because these are tasty to eat. Now we will discuss about seed. Most plants grow from their seeds. Each seed contains a baby plant inside them. It is protected by the outer part of the seed, which also stores food for the baby plant. The baby plant grows when the seed gets air, water and sunlight. It keeps growing till it becomes adult plant. Now we will discuss about the germination of seed. Look at this diagram. Here in the diagram, can you see the seed? In the second diagram, the seed has started budding, then small roots are growing, then the seed is coming out and the stem is growing, and it grows into a big plant having a stem, leaf and buds, and under the ground it has roots. Hence the seed has grown into a new baby plant. What are the functions of seeds? Every seed has a baby plant inside it which grows into a new plant. Now I hope you all know the parts of the plant very well and go through this chapter and stay safe and be healthy. Thank you.